Hey beautiful people, my name's Kristen. Thank you for taking some time, spending opportunity on my channel to see an Ellie unbagging. It's not really an unboxing because it's a bag. I just got done walking my dog. I got some rain still on me. It's gonna rain all day and it's just kind of in a drizzle phase right now before another cell comes through. Gotta stay active, right? So one thing that kind of inspires me to keep staying active is having all these outfits, and they're such a good deal. I just can't pass them up. Ellie is a subscription that is like $44.95 a month, and you get 3 items, complete outfit, and so it works out to like $15 an item, right? And the really cool thing about Ellie is that actually they will pick an outfit for you, but if you don't like that, you have like the first week of the month to go in and change, and you can pick any of like 6 options. So it's not a surprise, but it's a good deal, and they have really cute outfits, and I look forward to seeing this one. So I bought the one that's like a hiking one because they were Eddie Bauer shorts, and I thought, gosh, that sounds like really good quality. I'd like to see that. So I'm gonna open those first. So sure enough, there's a little Eddie Bauer. It's a beautiful kind of army green. Got a tie. Let me see if the tie actually, yep, the tie actually adjusts in, cinches in if you needed some. We got some zip pockets. Yep, actually working pockets, pretty deep. And this is kind of a weather resistant canvas feel, but still, it's got that swishy, can you hear that? Kind of that swishy sound, but I don't mind that at all. Let's look at the bottom. It's a seamed cuff, and it's got 2 pockets in the back. So those are adorable. Color is balsam green. I like that. I really like those. It's hard to pick, you know, there's lots of really quality things to pick from. So let's see about the bra. That's always the risk factor for me, if it's going to have enough support and coverage. So it is, this one's white, has some meshing T-back, racer back in the back. So it looks like it could work. So a little on the small side, but we're gonna give it a go. If it's real obnoxious, I won't show. We're in this together. Love, Ellie. Cloth masks. They sent us some masks. Ah, that I didn't know was coming. That's a surprise to me. My scissors are across the room. When I do the try on, I will show them out. It looks like there's 2. Hot pink and leopard. Super fun, y'all. All right. Sweet. This bag I can get into. That other one's really thick plastic. It's Kristen proof. You know, there's child proof and then there's Kristen proof. So this tank is awesome. Oh my gosh, I really like this. I really like this. It's got kind of mesh and a thinner material tank, and then the back has a lot of mesh. Look at that. That is so adorable. I'm really glad I picked this one. There was a couple that I was really debating, but I'm really glad I picked this one. The shorts and the tank are amazing. I'm hoping the bra fits, and we got masks, so hold on, I'll try it on. Okay, I got my scissors and opened them. These are actually pretty big for me. You can see I have to really adjust the straps. Maybe just do a little pin or sewing. Or I can wash them and gift them to somebody bigger. I don't think my husband or my sons are gonna wear hot pink and leopard, but yeah. The leopard one, we'll see if it's the same size. Yeah, it's still really big, but they do feel pretty comfortable. And they've got black lining, which is nice because when you get the lipstick on it, you always just feel so, I don't know, bad, but just the ones that are white. It's like, I need at least some lip gloss. Hold on for the outfit. Also quickly, just wanted to go ahead and share with you my outfit of the day. I got it all at Target, and I don't remember if you follow me regularly. If not, like and subscribe, but there was a Trendsen shirt that I love, love, love that said Sunshine on it, but it was $62 for a t-shirt. I just couldn't, even though I loved it. So I found this at Target. $12.99, y'all. And these shorts, I showed these in my Target unboxing. They are $17.99. And they only had this shirt in an extra large, but I didn't care. I got it, put a little knot. I think it's rather adorable. So here's the outfit. I just really love it. I love these shorts. It does make the little swishy noise just a little bit as you're walking, but it's gonna stay cuffed because it's sewn. It's got zip pockets so you can zip in your chapstick or your car key. I like the length. I think it's very, very, you know, when you're walking or squatting or hiking, appropriate. I think the tank is really, really pretty. It's hard to kind of see white sometimes on the camera, but I just love the details. The bra, I'm not going to probably show the front because it's not really enough coverage on the front. I probably will just take it off and put it in my giveaway for anybody else who can wear a size small and maybe not as endowed, but I just love this top. The top and the shorts for $45. I feel like I'm still well getting my money's worth even without the sports bra. I will show you the back just because it's cute. Oh, and I didn't show you the length on this. My bad. So out, it's straight. That's the length. Then the back, you can see the detail. So let me know what you think. I did actually curl my hair and fix my hair this morning, y'all. It is rainy and frizzy. Well, my hair is frizzy. It's rainy outside. We need it though. I never, you know, discount the rains of the summer. We do need them. So hope that you have an awesome day, that you get inspired to move and do whatever you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and do my ankle physical therapy while I've got this outfit on, and then I will re-clean up and get back into my outfit of the day and have a good rest of the day. Hopefully get this edited and out to you. So take care. Hope to see you soon.